Grandma's recipe that surprised everybody. These filled chicken, there's nothing better than that and super easy to make. We'll start by cutting chicken this way, as you can see on the video, guys. There's no secret. After that, we are going to season it with salt, black pepper, paprika, and here you can use your favorite seasons, okay? And use your hands to mix it very well so the season can go for all of the parts of this chicken. Now we are going to fill it, and you can use your creativity here. Here we are going to fill it with ham, cheese, and let this chicken even more filled. Use a lot of it, okay? Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. After filling it very well, we are going to pass it into egg, then in maize starch, and lastly, guys, egg, and finish it with breadcrumbs. Here I'm using the breadcrumbs I made at my house, but you can buy in the supermarket as well, okay? I don't know if you saw, but I repeated the process twice, all right? And then in the breadcrumbs, just to guarantee that the breadcrumbs are well stick to this chicken. After that, we are going to fry it, guys, into hot oil, not too hot, of course, to not burn this chicken. Fry it very well, and it's gonna be brown like this. And then we're going to put it on a paper towel. And then, guys, just be happy with that. Seriously, guys, this recipe is breathtaking. Super simple to make. You know that dinner or lunch, you want to make it differently. You want to surprise everybody, so make it at your house, and I'm pretty sure you will. Now in a tray, I put a little bit of tomato sauce. Put the chicken, put a little bit of tomato sauce on top of it as well, and some cheese. Took it to the oven just to let this cheese melt. And then that's perfect, guys. You can also take it to the microwave oven, all right? And don't put too much of tomato sauce. And guys, seriously, I have no words to describe how delicious it is. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. Go sending it for all your friends so you can make it together, because everybody should know about this recipe. And if you liked this recipe, guys, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Thank you so much, and see you guys around.